two parallel worlds. All you guys, first of all, let me just tell you all something. You cannot be a good film student if you don't watch movies. And I'm saying movies. And I'm saying cinema. And I'm not saying web series. They are not movies. There's a completely different format. You all want to become serial makers, you all want to become filmmakers or actors. Or you all just want to direct anything. There's two complete, दो अलग-अलग धाराएं. Understand what I'm saying?
Filmmakers.
Huh?
Filmmaker.
Then start watching films. Good films, bad films, start watching films. The best films were made in the 50s, 60s and 70s. 80s fucked Indian cinema. Trust me when I'm saying this. It was crassy, it was trashy. You know why? Because video had come in, and when video came in, distributors stopped paying money. And when distributors stopped paying money, directors and producers were forced to make small budget films or to make movies fast. So movies started becoming tackier worldwide. Worldwide. Even Hollywood produced some very bad cinema in the 80s. The hairstyles, the clothes. And I was a kid of the 80s. So I still have like Mithun Chakrabarti kind of thing. You know, I don't have sideburns. But my point is, to become a filmmaker, you have to watch movies. Just watch movies all the time. Today you ask an average 18, 19-year-old whether he knows some of the greats of Indian cinema. I asked somebody whether you know Mehboob Khan, and they said the guy who owns Mehboob Studios. They don't know who Mehboob. All of you, I assume, know Mehboob Khan, right?
Mother India.
Yes. You'll all know Mehboob Khan, correct? Nasir Hussain? Vijay Anand? You all know, right? Which movie did Vijay Anand make? Can someone tell me? Name me two of Vijay Anand's films, yeah?
Guide.
Yes. But तूने सुना है कि देखा है?
देखा है सर.
कहाँ?
YouTube पे देखा है सर. गाइड और तीसरी.
देखा है ना?
Yes sir.
देखा है ना? और मजेदार पिक्चर है ना?
Sorry sir.
मजेदार है ना पिक्चर है?
Yes sir. बहुत.
Correct ना?
Yes sir.
Arguably one of the greatest directors of Indian cinema. Trust me when I'm saying this.
Yes sir. I agree.
Arguably. See what is happening today? Today people are coming up with ideas and calling it projects rather than what these guys used to do. They used to sit for years and write, and they used to, each film used to take 3, 4 years, not because they were lazy or because they did not have funds. I think you were very well funded. And they were like mad people. They wanted to, they'll reshoot it. No, I'm not getting it correct. And they worked without the help of monitors. So it was just the eyes of the cameraman they were trusting. Later only, finally when they used to go and see the rushes, they used to realize, here, focus mein, out focus mein. So true cinema was in the 50s, 60s, 70s, where movies were evolving, better writing was happening, better performances were happening. Believe me when I'm saying this. When technology took over, cinema, the real artistic cinema took a backseat. So I have spoken so much shit about cinema right now. They're basically like 8-hour, 9-hour, 10-hour films. So you get more time to write, you get more time to गाड़ी आएगी, गाड़ी रुकेगी, आदमी चल के जाएगा, टॉप शॉट लोगे आप, एक थोड़ा सा जिप शॉट लेना है ले लो, एक स्टेडी कैम शॉट ले लो, आप दरवाजा खोलो, वो आदमी अंदर आएगा, पूरे क्लासरूम खड़ा होगा, आके बैठेगा. So you've taken around 40-45 seconds. फिल्म में ऐसा नहीं होता. फिल्म में गाड़ी रुकी, टक, नेक्स्ट कट, दरवाजा खुला, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. So what was explained in a web series in 40 seconds has happened now in 7 to 8 seconds. Cinema doesn't let you go beyond 2.5 hours because we now have what is known as mobile moments. Are you understanding? जहाँ पे पिक्चर का इंटरेस्ट एक सेकंड के लिए भी गया, you start checking your messages. Trust me when I'm saying. So you lost your eye contact with the screen. That is what we try to do in the edit. At least that's what I try to do in the edit, where people should, and that can happen sometimes with distraction of sound. It can happen with certain visuals, which will help the audience not look at their mobiles unless somebody is like dead outside, you know. Like I was saying, there are two different worlds. Have you seen, any of you have seen The Matrix? Yeah. You all must see The Matrix. You know, it's a, besides innovative action and new kind of visual effects, which happens every 15 to 20 years in Hollywood also. It happened in Avatar, it happened in Terminator 1. Something which was not seen before. Matrix did that. Matrix also had a very, very, very fine screenplay. It basically showed us that there's a real world and an artificial world, and we are living in the artificial world thinking it's the real world. The truth is, we are all living in an artificial world, and our world exists from Warsaw, Andheri to Bandra. All the writers, all the directors, all the filmmakers, all the actors, all the institutes, maybe chalo, from Malad to Bandra, to Malad to Mahim, that's it. That's the artificial world. We make the decision what the real world is going to see. और हमको ऐसा लगता है कि जो यहाँ पे बातें हो रही है वो रियल वर्ल्ड में हो रही है। नहीं, रियल वर्ल्ड में आप जाके देखो, वहां पे अलग ही है दुनिया, वहां पे दुनिया ही अलग है। इस वर्ल्ड हम शक्ल्स को डिजास्टर बोलती है, वो वर्ल्ड फिर भी 64 करोड़ देती है। अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सत्यमेव जयते को अभी बैड रिव्यूज मिले, वो वर्ल्ड 80 करोड़ का धंधा करके देगी। सो रियल वर्ल्ड में ना, एंड वी मीट, इंटरैक्ट, टॉक, व्हाट्सएप, ग्रुप चैट ओनली विद पीपल फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड। सो वी रियली डोंट नो पीपल फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड। Even your driver, for example, is actually in this world only. So he knows about sacred games. But when we step into the real world, they don't know, because they don't have Wi-Fi, they don't have Netflix, they don't have Amazon. So it's a good job avenue for a lot of people. It's a good money-making prospect to make web series. There's nothing wrong in it. If tomorrow I get an offer to make a web series, I might just take good money and make it. And you know, the good thing about web series is that you don't know what the reviews are going to be like. Who are the people who are saying that the shows are bad or the shows are good? Who? Group chats only, or Twitter only, or Facebook only? Now that is again electronically generated, because 90% media has been proved that every aspect of Facebook, Twitter, or SMS, WhatsApp, and other social things which are related with the mobile, they are also manipulated. They are also the users who download movies. Are you understanding? So it is that simple.